Hello, my name is Lucy, and my roller coaster is named Toyland, and it has like robots, zoo animals, Legos, Barbies, and Star Wars, and dinosaurs.
Okay, go.
If this marble was on the ground and I picked it up, it would have gotten some potential energy, and if I had it up there high enough, I would let it go and it would convert to kinetic energy to get momentum to do the loop-de-loop. But I'm not gonna do it right now. So where I am at the hill section, this is where the momentum carries the marble over the hills. It took me a while to make this. It took 2 or 3 hours, and the bumpers are not easy. So I put the marble way up there. It comes down this really long tube that took 2 hours to make. This is the fastest part and the max momentum, and that's why it can do the loop-de-loop. And then this is like a 90-degree turn. I did research, and then something said like people really like 90-degree turns, but in real life, I really don't think people will like the funnel. And then it comes in this tube, and it comes into this little cave, sort of. Here's the like little step curves, and then it falls into another hole. We're at the end of the track, and this is where the marble decelerates and loses its momentum. Ready?
Yep, ready.